If you're someone who's looking to start a business with the potential for high profits, but doesn't necessarily want to manufacture your own products, becoming a distributor could be a fantastic option for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 40 profitable distributor business ideas you can start today. Being a distributor means you're the middleman between manufacturers and customers, and in today's interconnected world, the opportunities in distribution are endless. Let's get right into it. First up, consumer goods distribution. Let's start with some ideas for distributing everyday consumer goods. These are products that people use regularly, which means high demand. 1. Food and beverage distribution. You can distribute anything from bottled water, energy drinks, to gourmet snacks. Think about affiliating with platforms like Alibaba or Amazon Business to find suppliers. 2. Household cleaning products. There's always demand for cleaning supplies like disinfectants, paper towels, and soaps. Partnering with bulk suppliers through platforms like Thomasnet can help you get started. 3. Personal care products. Products like shampoos, body lotions, and skincare are evergreen. You can distribute them to local stores or even set up an online store. Check out Jungle Scout for insights into trending products. 4. Office supplies. From stationery to ink cartridges, office supplies are always in demand. Utilize ShipBob to manage your logistics once you're ready to distribute to multiple locations. 5. Pet supplies. Pet products like food, toys, and grooming supplies are lucrative. Affiliate with suppliers on Salehu to source your products. Technology and electronics distribution. Next up, we have technology and electronics, an industry that's booming thanks to our digital world. 6. Mobile accessories. Distribute phone cases, chargers, and headphones. You can source these products from platforms like Alibaba and use Shopify to create your e-commerce store. 7. Computer components. Motherboards, RAM, hard drives. These are essentials for tech enthusiasts and repair shops. Look into Doba for dropshipping options. 8. Smart home devices. Products like smart lights, speakers, and security cameras are gaining popularity. Partner with CJ Dropshipping to source the latest gadgets. 9. Gaming equipment. From controllers to gaming chairs, gamers are always on the lookout for new gear. Set up an affiliate program using ClickBank to promote and distribute high-quality products. 10. Wearable technology. Distribute fitness trackers and smartwatches. You can use platforms like AliExpress to source trendy wearables at affordable prices. Next up, health and wellness distribution. As people are becoming more health conscious, distributing health and wellness products can be incredibly profitable. 11. Vitamins and supplements. Many people are looking for ways to boost their health. Partner with manufacturers on supply. MeDirect for a reliable supply of supplements. 12. Fitness equipment. From yoga mats to dumbbells, there's high demand for home workout equipment. Spocket can help you source quality products. 13. Organic beauty products. The beauty industry is shifting towards more natural and organic products. Platforms like Green Dropship offer a variety of organic goods. 14. Essential oils and aromatherapy. More people are turning to natural remedies for stress relief, making essential oils a hot product. Use Oberlo to manage your inventory and sales. 15. Health monitoring devices. Devices like blood pressure monitors or glucose meters are highly sought after. Check out worldwide brands for quality suppliers in this niche. Next up, specialized equipment distribution. For those interested in distributing specialized equipment, there are tons of opportunities for niche products. 16. Medical equipment. Hospitals and clinics need everything from thermometers to wheelchairs. Source these products from medical device supply platforms. 17. Industrial machinery. If you're experienced in the industrial sector, distributing machinery for factories can be highly profitable. Look into Compass for connections. 18. Security equipment. Products like CCTV cameras, biometric scanners, and alarm systems are always in demand. Use Alibaba to source reliable suppliers. 19. Construction materials. Think about distributing things like cement, bricks, and insulation materials. Look into BuildDirect for suppliers. 20. Solar power equipment. With the rise of renewable energy, solar panels and related equipment are a growing industry. Check out Solaris Shop for resources. Next up, fashion and apparel distribution. If you have an interest in fashion, you can also break into the distribution of clothing and accessories. 21. Athleisure wear. From leggings to performance shirts, athleisure is a trend that's here to stay. Partner with Teespring to start distributing branded clothing. 22. Footwear. Distribute anything from casual sneakers to specialized running shoes. Check out suppliers like Modelist for wholesale options. 23. Jewelry and accessories. Watches, necklaces, and rings are always in fashion. Platforms like AliExpress offer trendy jewelry options for distribution. 24. Luxury handbags. There's always a market for high-end bags. Use DHgate for sourcing and consider affiliate marketing through Rakuten. 25. Vintage clothing. Vintage fashion is growing in popularity. You can source unique pieces through local suppliers or online thrift platforms. Next up, eco-friendly and sustainable products. With consumers becoming more eco-conscious, distributing sustainable products can also lead to a lucrative business. 26. Reusable bags and straws. Many cities are banning single-use plastics, making reusable bags and straws a must-have. You can source these from Comdash. 27. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Environmentally friendly cleaning supplies are in demand. Partner with Green Dropship to source and distribute these products. 28. Solar-powered gadgets. From chargers to lamps, people are increasingly turning to solar-powered devices. Use CJ Dropshipping to get started. 29. Sustainable fashion. Distribute eco-friendly clothing made from recycled or organic materials. Look for suppliers on global sources. 30. Bamboo products. From toothbrushes to kitchenware, bamboo is a sustainable alternative to plastic. You can find suppliers on Alibaba. Finally, miscellaneous high-demand items. There are plenty of miscellaneous items with high demand, and distribution in these niches can be very profitable. 31. Automobile parts. Car enthusiasts and repair shops are always in need of parts. Look into AutoZone Pro for distribution opportunities. 32. Furniture. Furniture distribution, especially for home offices, has boomed recently. Check out Wayfair Wholesale for options. 33. Toys and educational materials. Distribute popular toys or learning kits for children. Platforms like Oberlo are great for sourcing these products. 34. Party supplies. Everything from balloons to decorations can make a solid niche. You can source from AliExpress and sell via Amazon FBA. 35. Baby products. Diapers, strollers, and baby clothes are always in demand. Use Doba to source from reputable manufacturers. 36. Home improvement tools. Distribute tools and DIY kits for home projects. ThomasNet is a platform you can use to find suppliers. 37. Electric bicycles and scooters. With more people opting for eco-friendly transportation, distributing e-bikes and scooters can be profitable. Source these from DHgate. 38. Camping gear. Tents, backpacks, and portable stoves are all high-demand items for outdoor enthusiasts. Partner with Modellist to source these products. 39. Drones. Drones for photography and recreational use are rising in popularity. Global sources can help you find suppliers. 40. Books and ebooks. Distribute physical or digital books on trending topics. Amazon KDP allows you to distribute ebooks with minimal upfront costs. And there you have it. 40 profitable distributor business ideas to get you started on your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're looking to distribute consumer goods, technology, or eco-friendly products, there's an opportunity for everyone. Be sure to check out the affiliate tools mentioned, like Alibaba, Amazon Business, and Shopify, to help you find suppliers and manage your logistics. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more business insights. And don't forget to check the description below for links to resources and tools to help you get started today.